Mga kapuso, 2024 is a year of change. Ilabi na sa world of pageantry. Ganining bagulang, dunay nahitabong kausaban, dihang giila, ang Mutya ng Dabaw 2024. Og palaran kita karon nga ato siya makahinabi. Please welcome dinhi sa GMA Regional TV Interviews, Miss Hana Picho, Mutya ng Dabaw 2024. Maayong hapon, Hana.
Mayong hapon, Ma'am Sara. Mayong hapon po, mga kapuso. Good afternoon to all Mindanaoans and to all Dabaweños. Good afternoon. Thank you for having me.
Well, after you won, people said you're breaking stereotypes. Can you tell us unsa ang feeling daghan ang nakarelate? You were even trending sa social media.
And so honored to have inspired people. Actually, when I was imagining what it would be like if I win, I really didn't expect this much love and support. Of course, ang gi-expect yun ako, some of them would be, bashing me because I'm very different from the usual beauty queen, from the usual Mutya. But what I didn't expect was the overflowing love and support. Katong akong pagkadaog sa Mutya ng Dabaw, dili lang ako ang nakadaog. It's a win for women and it's a win for everyone.
Muhang pag-join sa mga beauty pageant, was this a childhood dream?
As a child, I never imagined that inclusivity would be a thing when I would grow older. But when I was in senior high, when Catriona Gray won, dito siya murag nag-open up sa ako, like, ooh, this is such a nice platform. You can really touch a lot of lives.
Unsa imong mga projects and of course plans in line with your advocacy?
In body positivity, I really want to focus on schools kasi kay di hapud ko experience ng mga bullies, and I want to make sure na children, and especially persons of authority like teachers and parents, would understand the dangers of body shaming and how it can affect a child's mind. And for ecotourism, I have been doing my own fair share of ecotourism efforts. I am a travel vlogger for the environment. I vlog about natural wonders, and I try to educate people about nature through my videos. So we only have to make sure that the social media influencers are empowered and that they feel that they are one with Davao City to promote the ecotourism spots.
Lastly, Han, unsa imong mga mensahe sa atong mga Dabawenyo and of course sa atong mga Mindanaoan?
And I hope that Dabaweños and Mindanaoans, we could all work together, especially with my court and I. We can work together for the all throughout our reign, the 12 months that we will be spending together with Davao City Tourism. We could work together and make sure that we leave a lasting impact in Davao City. Thank you so much po.
Ayan, so mga kapuso, daghan kaayong salamat,
Thank you,
Hana,
ma'am.
and sa pag-share nimo sa imong time.
Salamat
and may you
kaayo.
continue to be an inspiration. Dili lang sa mga taga Dabaw, kundi sa tibuok Mindanao.
Thank you so much,
Daghan
Ma'am
kaayong salamat,
Sara.
mga kapuso. Mutya ng Dabaw 2024, Miss Hana Picho.